Lowest common multiple, that is called LCM. Highest common multiple, that is HCF. Now the smallest number that can be divided by the given number without leaving any remainder is called lowest common multiple. So we have these method how we find out LCM. LCM through multiples, LCM of three numbers, LCM by prime factorization, and LCM by division method. So first I want to repeat this once again. The smallest number that can be divided by the given number without any remainder. So I am going to tell you few sums according to this method how we can find out the LCM of the given number. Now LCM through multiples. So LCM of 3 and 5. So you know how to take out the multiples of 3. 3 twos are 6 like that. So 3, 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiples of 5, table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The first common multiple is, that is 15. So the first common multiple is 15. So the LCM is 15. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So LCM of three numbers. Find out the LCM of 4, 6 and 8. So multiple of 4, we have to take out multiples of 4. Then multiples of 8. 6. Then multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. So multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 like that. So we will go through that. So multiple of 6. So now this is, we will go like that. First we have to wait for the common multiple. So common multiple. So now just wait here. Now multiple of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. Yes, common multiple is here. So wait. Multiple of 8, 8, 16, 24. No need to go beyond. Now we have 24. Common in all three. So LCM is 24. LCM is 24. I repeat, we will take out the multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. So you all know in your mind that whenever, now 6, we get common multiple, we can stop over there. And now 24 is common. In 4 also 24 is there, 6 also, 8 also. So the common factor is 24. So the LCM is 24. Here LCM by prime factorization. Find the LCM of 32 and 48. So prime factorization of 32, we have to take it like smallest prime number is 2. So 1, 6. Again 2, we have 8. Again 2, we have 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Okay. Now 48. How to take out? 48. Smallest prime number 2, 24. Divide it like that. 12, then 6, 3, and 3. So 4 times 2 we have 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So make it like that. First you take out prime factorization, multiplying the common factor 2, the remaining prime factors we get. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So we get 2 and 3. So what is the LCM? 4 times 2, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then remaining we have 2 multiply. So we have to make pair of that. So LCM is, look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this remaining 2 and 3. So we have to multiply according to that. So now it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Now 32 multiplied by 6. So LCM is 96. LCM is 96. Find out the LCM of the 12, 16 and 20 by division method. So for that we have to do like that: 12, 16, 20. So take out the smallest prime number, that is 2, and you all know that are even number. For here we have to divide the smallest prime number by which can divide at least one of the numbers. So we have to take number like that, smallest prime number. So 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16 and 10. So this is simple division. Now again take the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So at least now here we have 3, 4, 5. Again take out 2. So 3. So take it remain like that. Then 2, then 5. Again we have 3, 2, 5. So divide till we get at least here 1, 1, 1. So here it is not divided by 2. So take it 3 like that. And then 1, then 5. Then take out 3, 1, 1, 5. Then take 5. At least we have 5, 5, 1. This is first one method. Another method is that if continuing dividing by the smallest possible number, prime number, until the last row contain prime numbers or co-prime numbers. So it is quite difficult for you if you stop here. So if the last line contain prime number or co-prime number, you will stop. But no, this is not possible to take care of that. So go according to me. Again I repeat, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, not 10. So again 2. So we have 3, 4, 5. Now again 2. As 4 is divisible by 2, so you take 3 as it is like that. As it is like that, take out 5. Now again 2. Now left 3 and 5 here. Take 3. So at last we have 1, 1, 1. So now multiply all these numbers. So 4 times we have 2. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, then 3 and 5. So we have to do like that. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So 16 multiply by 3. 3 6 are 18. Here we have 48. 48 multiply by 5. 5 8s are 40. So 4, 20, 24. So the answer is 240. Answer is 240. This is LCM. 240 is LCM by division method of 12, 16 and 20.